Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to soft reset your Govee TV Backlight 3. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to try fixing any issues that they're having with their Govee TV Backlight 3. How do you actually go ahead and soft reset it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to unplug your Govee TV Backlight 3 from the wall and leave it unplugged for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, plug it back into the wall and see if the issue is still there. If the issue is still there, what you want to do next is that you want to hold the power button, which is this button here, and then you want to press the middle button 4 times and then let go of all buttons. Once you do that, you should see the light start flickering on your Govee TV Backlight 3, and it should be recalibrating and fixing itself. Now, if the issue still persists, I would say contact Govee support and see if they can send you a replacement, just because these Govee products are meant to last a long time. But this reset method of holding down the power button and pressing the middle button has worked for me, and hopefully it works for you. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and soft reset your Govee TV Backlight 3. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.